Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Mondo reviews. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Honor X9a. But before we get into it, don't forget to give us a like and hit that subscribe button. Let's dive in. First impressions matter, right? This lightweight device has a stylish design that catches your eye instantly, especially when it comes to this unique style at the back. The 6.67-inch curved display is great for creating an immersive viewing experience. It did take me a while to get a good grip on the device because of the wrap design though. The good news is, if you're someone who always drops your phone, the Honor X9a has got you covered with its reinforced glass anti-drop screen. Honor has done numerous tests on this to keep the screen from cracking, including driving over the phone. The display offers a lag-free and smooth experience, and the powerful octa-core processor and 8 gigs plus 5 gigs RAM turbo makes multitasking a breeze. With so much on the go, the question has got to be, can the battery on the Honor X9a keep up? It definitely can. With its massive 5100 mAh battery, you can easily get through 2 days of heavy usage. In the mid-tier range, it doesn't get more convenient than that. Now, let's talk about the camera. The Honor X9a features a stunning 64 megapixel camera that allows you to capture detailed and high-quality vlogs. In fact, it's so good, I'm vlogging right now. Plus, with the added effect of the 5 megapixel ultra-wide camera, the 2 megapixel macro camera, and the 16 megapixel front camera, your pics will never miss. We've also put it to the test by downloading apps, games, and filling up the gallery, and we can safely say that the 8 gigs plus 256 gigs memory is holding up really impressively. So if you're looking for a device that gives you flagship features without breaking the bank, the Honor X9a is definitely worth considering. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you want to keep up with more content like this, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below. See you later!